Ever load the dishwasher, hit start, and wake up to a sink full of still crusty forks and one heroic cereal bowl glued with oatmeal? Same. In this video, I'm ranking dishwasher brands from best to worst so you can dodge the duds, get quieter cycles, and actually pull out spotless glasses without babysitting. I'll separate brand hype from real-world models and reveal my 3 set it, forget it picks at the end, plus a surprise designer favorite that lands on my worst buy list. You won't see it coming. Stick around, hit like and subscribe to help more folks avoid lemons, and check the description for a quick buying checklist. The worst buy list, from to nope. Number 5. Beko DDT39432X and siblings. Quiet on paper, damp in practice. Beko pushes sleek, quiet machines with clever spray arms, but reliability is the asterisk. In service data comps, Beko's dishwashers trend to the higher side for first-year service calls, and owners sometimes mention cycles finishing with wetter loads than expected if the drying routine isn't spot on. Control board gremlins and intermittent finishing wet reports pop up in US market feedback. If you love the idea of whisper quiet for open kitchens, just know you may need to babysit drying and keep an eye on electronics. Great pick for someone who enjoys mystery moisture? Probably not. Number 4. Frigidaire FFCD2418 US, FFCD2413 US. Basic cleans, but beware the I-30 flood tantrum. Frigidaire's budget lineup wins shelf space because it's simple and ubiquitous. But the recurring headache you'll see in forums and repair write-ups is that infamous I-30 flood code. It trips when the base pan detects water and can trace back to leaky seals, drain issues, or finicky sensors. The models are everywhere at big box stores, but the pattern of I-30 troubleshooting, tilting, drying out trays, sensor resets shows up again and again. If you want press start and walk away, these can feel high maintenance. Great pick for someone who enjoys surprise kitchen floods? Yeah, no. Number 3. Cafe GE CDT805P2NS1 CDT828P2VS1. Designer handles dated headaches. The Cafe line looks premium and loads nicely, but owner accounts and review threads flag recurring pain points. Leaks under the toe kick, fussy door seals, and fixed until it wasn't service calls. Brand-level service rate data also puts Cafe among the more frequently serviced dishwasher brands, which lines up with those leak complaints across multiple model numbers. If you're buying a matching suite for the aesthetic, fair, but build in patience for technician visits. Great pick for someone who likes scheduling service windows? Hard pass. Number 2. Fisher & Paykel Dish Drawer DD24 Series. Cool drawers, complicated guts. Drawer dishwashers are brilliant on paper. Ergonomic loading, small runs, tidy look. In practice, the 2-drawer setup adds moving parts, lid actuators, seals, and per-drawer sensors that boost the chance of fiddly failures. Tech bulletins and repair threads have long documented actuator closing issues and error states that require drawer-specific workarounds. Reliability studies also show Fisher & Paykel on the high service end among mainstream brands. If you adore the drawer concept, factor in more tinkering than a standard tall tub. Great pick for someone who collects service manuals for fun? Probably not. Number 1. Samsung Stormwash and Linear Wash DW80R 5060 5061 DW80R 9950. Feature-rich until the LC light shows up. On paper, quiet, slick racks, smart features. In the real world, a steady drumbeat of LC/LE leak trips tied to moisture in the base pan, diverter assembly seepage, or installation sensitivities. Samsung's own help pages cover LC/LE steps. Repair forums and homeowner threads echo recurring leak diagnostics. And there's a long trail of discussions around diverter O-rings and seal wear. Yes, some units run fine, but if you don't want to play detective with towels and drip pans, there are safer bets. Great pick for someone who loves chasing phantom leaks? You get the idea. Smart picks, the 3 best to buy. Number 3. Whirlpool WDPS 7024RV quiet third rack cleaner with sensor smarts. Tired of playing rack Tetris after every dinner? This one gives you room to breathe and keeps the noise way down, so you can actually hear the plot twist on movie night. The finish shrugs off fingerprints, the layout is friendly, and, big win, the top rack isn't just storage. You can wash bowls and mugs up there to free space below, which is exactly what busy kitchens need. Under the hood, it's built for load it and go. Triple wash spray targets all 3 racks, so deep bowls on the bottom and coffee mugs up top get equal attention. The sensor cycle reads the mess and dials in time and temperature automatically, while the normal cycle can tweak itself based on soil levels. Less fussing with buttons, more living your life. When you're rushing, Quick Wash steps in to turn a small stack around fast. I also like the little quality of life touches. The second rack slides up or down to clear tall pitchers. And the silverware basket has a moisture-repellent coating that helps your forks come out ready to drawer drop. A couple light trade-offs to flag. With the third rack in play, you might bump the middle rack height on stock pot nights. Takes seconds, but it's a thing. And like most fast cycles, Quick Wash is best for fresh messes. For baked-on spaghetti pans, let the sensors stretch their legs. The flip side is simple. Quiet operation, thoughtful loading options, and targeted spray that actually covers the whole tub. If you want a no-drama daily driver that cleans smart and doesn't demand babysitting, Whirlpool's WDPS 7024RV fits the press, start, and relax brief nicely. Number 2. KitchenAid KDTM 604 KBS. Biggest tub power with jet-washed third rack and fan-dry quiet. If your sink turns into a lineup of mugs and mixing bowls every night, this one finally gives you breathing room. It's calm, too. Around 44 dBA, so you can start a cycle after dinner without hearing it over the show you're streaming. And here's the kicker. The top rack doesn't just hold stuff, it actually cleans it. Those 360-degree wash jets up top hit glasses and small bowls from all sides, so you're not hand-rinsing what should have been finished on the first pass. Inside is where it wins daily life. The max tub is huge, 7.25 cubic feet, which means big pots can live down low while the third rack swallows 10 extra glasses or mugs and frees space in the middle. Over 50 targeted jets work across 4 wash arms, so coverage doesn't taper off at the edges. For cycles, you've got Pro Wash doing the thinking. It senses the mess and adjusts time and heat. Plus Express Wash when you need plates back in just over an hour. Drying gets a real boost from the fan-enabled ProDry system, circulating hot air at the end, while the stainless interior holds heat to help everything finish bone dry. Small quality-of-life touches round it out. True self-cleaning filtration means you're not stuck scrubbing a gunky filter. Top controls keep the door clean and modern. And the ultra-bright LED lighting makes loading feel, dare I say, satisfying. Tiny trade-offs framed as fair swaps. That third rack is awesome, but on stock pot nights you may bump the middle rack up or down to clear the tall stuff. Takes 2 seconds. With the top controls, you won't see the countdown unless you peek, which is the price of that clean look. And like any Fanisys dry system, it shines when you keep Rinse Aid topped up. If you want a quiet, roomy machine that actually cleans the third rack, zaps water spots with real airflow, and doesn't ask you to babysit the filter, KitchenAid's KDTM 604 KBS fits the load it, press start, move on with your night brief perfectly. Number 1. Bosch Benchmark Series SHP9 PCM5N. Whisper quiet cleaning with plastic-ready drying. If your kitchen opens into the living room and you hate shouting over appliances, this one barely whispers. Seriously, you'll glance at the light to make sure it's on. The draw is simple: spotless dishes and bone-dry plastics without babysitting, plus racks that actually adapt to how you cook. It's that load it, press start, go live your life vibe. Here's the kicker: drying isn't just hot air. Crystal Dry steps in to nail lids, lunchboxes, and measuring cups that usually come out damp. Up top, the flexible third rack has expandable wings for deeper items, so long utensils and espresso cups finally have a home. And cleaning power isn't one size fits all. The power control system lets the machine target tougher zones so baked-on casserole and smoothie mugs get the attention they deserve without roasting everything else. Day to day, it feels premium in the small ways. Noise sits at a hush level 38 dBA, so it won't step on your podcast. The Rackmatic middle rack hops between 9 positions to fit tall stemware one night and soup pots the next. And Easy Glide Plus uses ball-bearing wheels so fully loaded racks still slide like butter. Toss in Home Connect if you want cycle alerts or voice control. And AquaStop watches for leaks around the clock. Set it, forget it, sleep easy. Little trade-offs? With top controls, you won't see the countdown unless you peek, which is the price of that clean, handle-only look. The built-in water softener is a win for spot-free glass, but it does ask for occasional salt refills in hard water areas. 2 minutes of upkeep for shinier results. And like any modern dryer system, Crystal Dry sings when you keep Rinse-Aid topped up. Fair swaps if you ask me. If you want a machine that's incredibly quiet, dries plastics like a pro, and adjusts to real-life loading without drama, Boss's Benchmark SHP9 PCM5N is the start-it-and-walk-away upgrade that earns its top-tier spot. Quick buying tips so you don't get stuck with a lemon. Don't ignore the noise, your ears won't. In an open kitchen, anything under about 46 dBA feels library quiet. If the number starts with a 5, you'll notice it during movie night. Peek at the actual dBA on the spec page, not just words like ultra-quiet. Stainless tub plus a real third rack equals everyday sanity. The stainless interior holds up over time and doesn't get funky, and a proper third rack keeps forks from sword fighting and frees space below. If you're browsing, Bosch and KitchenAid tend to nail this combo. Look at brand reliability, not just star counts. Star ratings can be moody. Service rate data tells you who stays out of the repair shop. Lately, LG, KitchenAid, Bosch, and Miele sit on the stronger side. Beko, Cafe, Fisher & Paykel often show higher service needs. Use that as a tiebreaker. Cool mechanisms, more parts, more chances to fuss. Drawer designs and fold-flip wizardry look slick, but they add moving bits that can need attention. If you love the idea, just budget a little patience and maybe a future service visit. Tiny habits, big payoff. Once a month, pop the filter and rinse it. Keep Rinse-Aid topped up. And run a hot or tub clean cycle now and then. Pro tip: run the sink hot for a few seconds before you start the dishwasher. Hotter fill water helps it clean and dry like a champ. Alright, that's the rinse cycle. My top 3. Bosch Benchmark SHP9 PCM5N for whisper quiet cycles and plastic-ready drying. KitchenAid KDTM 604 KBS for that giant max tub with a jet-washed third rack. And Whirlpool WDPS 7024 RV if you want a calm daily driver with sensor smarts and true 3-rack coverage. Which one fits your kitchen vibe? Silent plastic slayer, big tub jet wash beast, or laid-back sensor pro? Drop your pick in the comments. Hit like and subscribe for more no-drama buyer guides. And check the link in the description.